Alright, so boom. I seen the Miracle Knots Crochet online and I wanted to try it. So I did. I used QVR crochet hair, the Burmese curly in the 14 inches. 3 bundles is like 56 to 58 pieces per pack. I did the math because I had to reverse engineer so I could do it right the first time. And no more trial and error, okay? So I shampooed. I was obviously in here. Shampooed. You wash carpet. You shampoo hair. Okay? Okay, alright. Shampooed these bundles. Made sure they were ready to go. Letting them out to dry. You can tell right there. So it wouldn't drip on the floor. Yes. First of all, this new detangling brush by Red is everything. Alright? I love it. Haven't pulled out my paddle brush in a while since I got it. Y'all want to sponsor me? That'd be nice. God. Anyway, see me focused, parting down the middle. All right, parting on one side, parting on the other side, parting in the back, ear to ear. I'm showing everything because it's really rocket science. Unless you just don't know how to braid. If you don't know how to braid, I can't help you. You have to book a class. And it is easy, but if you're coming to me, you're paying me to do it. Please understand, okay? And when you look at the price, and not just for me, for any stylist, don't just think you're paying them just to braid your hair. That's labor costs you guys are thinking about. That's 1 out of a 4, 5, 6-part equation that determines how stylists get paid. But anyway, you can do this yourself, and that's why I'm showing y'all. So you don't have to come to me if you don't want to. So yes, this first part in the back, her hair was just simply too short right there. I just braided it in. No crochet, no nothing. Right at the base, just braided it in. And this is curly hair. So you go braid it down a little bit and it doesn't interrupt or nothing. Yeah, we had to take a little break. Yeah, the rest of the back, I crocheted it like she did in the video, and then halfway through realized I don't have to do this because I know how to braid. But so for future reference, I would say to just unravel it at the end. Well, I unraveled it for the video, but just braid it in from the get-go. Don't braid it halfway down, then go back and add it. That was too much work for me. And this is me showing y'all that it's easy to take out. Like, literally, just unravel the braid. It slides out. And as you keep going with taking it out, slide the pieces out and unravel it. And it doesn't come out knotted or anything. I show a close up anyway. It didn't really focus, but y'all chill on me. I'm trying my best. I'm doing my best. Okay. And I thought if y'all wanted to see how it looked, just all the pieces at the end, it was probably like a bundle and a half for every piece at the end. Yep. And then this is me showing the perimeter. Using my smart thinking brain, I decided to reverse engineer like I said. So this is me doing just the part at the top, but nothing in the middle. And then this is me showing the middle before I did the middle. And I did the first 3 rows in the middle. And then after that, I just went with what leftover hair I had and filled in the gaps. And that's how full it got. 3 bundles, 14 inches. And this is the hair with no product. I just shampooed it and conditioned it. That's it. And let it air dry. So this is really good hair. It behaves like human hair. My friend's having a ball in this hair. I'll show y'all how she styled it and stuff. But this is the tutorial.